Before they attend a single lecture or see their first patient, Marian University's newest medical students are learning one of medicine's oldest lessons: serve others first. They did by spending the day across Indianapolis's near northwest side, clearing yards, completing minor home repairs, and helping their neighbors care for the places they call home.
I like it. I like helping the community. I like being able to very clearly make a difference in people's lives.
The annual Day of Service partners Marian with Home Repairs for Good, helping older adults and people with disabilities complete projects that have become too difficult to do alone. For the students, it's an early reminder that caring for patients begins long before anyone walks into a clinic.
And they haven't even started their first class of medical school, so starting now to be able to take that with them throughout the rest of their education and hopefully into their practice is what we hope they get today.
As the morning wore on and the summer heat took its toll, brush disappeared, ladders went up, gutters were repaired, and homes began to look a little different. But the work was becoming more than a day of service, offering students an early lesson that compassion is not confined to hospitals, clinics, or exam rooms.
As a future physician, not just in the hospital or in clinic, I think outside, wherever I am in society, I think I should have that helping mindset, and it will not only help me in my career, but just bringing joy to others.
For homeowner and Army veteran Barry Day, the students' work was about more than cleaning a yard or repairing a home. It was a reminder that serving others has less to do with what people have and everything to do with how they choose to treat one another.
Once you get in the Lord's house, you will really learn about helping. That's the number one thing, to love people.
For Marian's newest medical students, the Day of Service is more than a tradition. It's an early lesson that the practice of medicine begins with compassion, and that sometimes the first patients they help aren't patients at all.